Introducing the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard, a cutting-edge 87-key gaming keyboard equipped with blue switches and designed for both tablets and desktops. This keyboard also comes with Russian stickers, allowing you to customize it to suit your language preferences. Unleash your gaming potential with the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard. Featuring blue switches, renowned for their tactile feedback and satisfying click sound, this keyboard provides a highly responsive and enjoyable typing experience. Each key press is met with precision and speed, allowing you to dominate your gaming sessions or enhance your productivity with ease. Not only does the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard excel in performance, but it also offers versatility. Whether you prefer gaming on a tablet or working on a desktop, this keyboard seamlessly adapts to your chosen device. Its compact 87-key layout ensures that it won't take up excessive space on your desk or hinder your mobility when using it with a tablet. One of the unique